More example of resistance here. So let's go with that. Look at that resistance building here. Let's check out this trend. It has been a weird trend, a downtrend, was an uptrend earlier, but this is a finally stable graph. So I'm going to go with this one. Everything is up and down today, so I'm going to give it this one. I think resistance is gone now. This is a good point. Look at that, it went down. So what that happened is this. If you look closely, you'll observe that the resistance and downtrend are too short-lived over here. Look at this. Look at this pattern. Resistance and downtrend again, right? So I felt this was a point in time when it's gone, because at the same time this blue line had fallen down too. So this is not something I saw because I was at this point in time here, but I already saw that the gap was not narrowing. It was just increasing from the previous one between blue and the red line. So I knew it was going to fall down. Now I just reset my account again today. Unfortunately, I couldn't make a loss right now. Just reset it again to show you guys, but it's fine. I think the main important is not to show you that it's $10,000 practice account. It's to show you how you trade. Once that happens, goes through, you're gonna make money. So this one's gonna get in our pockets. Just give me one more minute and let's see what we can do with another trade here. 12 seconds out, guys. So this is not just some skill actually. It also has some bit of luck. You have to be lucky enough for the trend to not go beyond control. The volatility should not go through the roof. If that happens, no matter how good is your skill, you're gonna lose money. Look at the downtrend. This is the resistance coming in right now. Okay, it's gone, I guess. So if I just put my money in, I might win. Let's check. Let's check for the resistance. I'm not gonna trade. I'm just wait this candle out. The true resistance comes when this kind of a graph happens and there's again downfall. So I think if I look at the graph right now, the resistance is still going on. Not going to trade immediately. I'm gonna trade somewhere about now. Look at that. Why? These lines just fell down. Look at these lines falling down. Now the gap is narrower, and I felt this is the end of the resistance. So I'm pretty sure it is going to end up somewhere over here by the end of this, even though this is a bit bullish right now. Oh, it's not going that way, so it's fine. We can just hedge it out with 2 trades. Look at that. Nice. We're gonna make money. Why did that? I just put 2 trades here. Oh, that's right. Over here again. It's falling down. This hedge is going to pay off more than what the actual money we put in will, because this was an abnormality that happened over here. You saw the price go up. So even if that volatility comes in, you're going to make money. Now look closely. This is the first trade I made over here at this line. So it's still near that. It's still risky, but the moment it went up, I still knew it was going to go down. I hedged it with the trade. Only hedge when you're sure it's going to happen. Do not hedge just for the sake of not losing money, because if the trend still would have gone up, would have lost money. That is one way you lose money. And when you hedge, when the trend has reversed and you hedge and then you lose, so that's not going to work. So made some more money right now. Let's see how much it is. Probably 15 or 16,000. Okay, it's 15,000. I'm gonna trade one more time. Okay, the trend is a bit weird right now. A bit weird. I think it's gonna go up again. This is the beginning of an uptrend. Why I feel so? Just observe this pattern. It's not fallen down anymore. The resistance came in, but the trend didn't continue anymore. So I feel this is a resistance for an uptrend, and it's gonna go up again. It's gonna go up in some time. Not immediately, but it's gonna go up. Why? The gap is narrowing now. It's gonna fall till sometime. It's gonna go up after that. It's gonna go to this level somewhere, and it's start going up after that, I believe. This is a strong downtrend actually. There's no reason for that to happen. So probably this could be just a small deviation. Let's wait and see what happens. Gonna be the last trade for the video. Look at the gap narrowing in. Look at that. So why is that happening? No idea. But it's sure as hell gonna play in my favor. If the trend reverses and goes up, I'm gonna just go and pick it up. Okay, it's still gonna fall. Still gonna fall. Just shorted that one out. It's definitely gonna fall. The moment the lines fall, you understand it's gonna fall, no matter what happens. They stopped falling here. Look at that recovery. Could lose money, but most likely it should fall down. If you're not sure, just encash your profits immediately. No need to wait. Or whatever, minimize your losses immediately. 10 seconds out, it's gonna fall. Okay, so this is the last trade for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. This is Wealth Workout. Make profits and sign off.